Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporifii Learn. Today, let's discuss about the first PUC Mathematics Chapter 1, that is sets. Let us go into it. Let us see the introduction of this chapter. A set is defined as a collection of objects. Let's see what does it mean. For example, we can say that the river Nile does not belong to the collection of rivers of India. On the other hand, the river Ganga does belongs to this collection. River Nile does not belong to collection of rivers of India means, as the sentence itself says, we can understand the Nile river is not in India. And the river Ganga, it belongs to this collection means it is in India, and the river Ganga does belong to the collection of rivers of India. Let's see another few examples for this. N. N is the set of all natural numbers. N itself denote the natural numbers. It is set of all natural numbers. Z. It is the set of all integers. The set of all rational numbers is denoted by Q. Z plus means the set of positive integers. Q plus means the set of positive rational numbers. These are the sets that represents the set of all some like natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, real numbers, and the division of integers as positive, negative. Z minus will indicate the set of negative integers, and etc. Let's see the representation of a set now. The way that we represent a set, there are two methods. One is roster or a tabular form. Second is set builder form. Let's discuss about the roster, or it is also called as tabular form. In roster form, all the elements of the set are listed. They are being separated by comma and are enclosed within braces. Let's discuss. We understand by the statement that they are the list means they'll be in the braces, curly braces, and they'll be each element will be separated by the comma. Let's discuss about the set of all even positive integers less than 7, in that to be described in the form of roster form. We say that it is 2, 4 and 6. Why? Because only the even positive integers that are less than 7 are those three elements. Some more example of a roster form are the all natural number that divides 42. That means the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. These are each elements, as we can see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, etc. All are separated by comma. Now let's discuss about the set builder form. All the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. For example, we will understand this by seeing an example. The set A, E, I, O, U. All the elements possess a common property that it is a vowel in English alphabet, and no other letter possesses this property. A, B, A, E, I, O, U, except these. B cannot be vowels in English, or Z cannot be, and etc. Denoting the set by V, we write V is equal to X is to X is a vowel in English. X is a set that is used to denote this particular set builder form. Now let's go on to the examples. Example 1, let's see. Write the solution of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. They have given an equation, we have to write in the roster form. Let's now see whether like x square plus x minus 2, it is the quadratic equation. If we solve by using the factorization method, we will get as x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. And if you equate left hand side and right hand side, we will get x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 2, and that set can be written as minus 1 comma minus 2. Write the set A is equals to 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 14 comma 25 in set builder form. As we can see, the numbers itself is indicating that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36, etc. We may write this set as, we have to write in set builder form. So it should be in the form of x is to x is the square of natural number. Alternatively, we can also write as x is to x is equals to n square, where small n belongs to capital N. Means n is the set here representing and capital N is the natural numbers. Write the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the set builder form. We see that each member in the given set has the numerator 1 less than denominator. Also the numerator from 1 and do not exceed 6. We will write as x is to x is equals to n by n plus 1, comma, where small n is the natural number, and we will see as n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 6. This is the form we write in the set builder form for the particular example. Let's discuss now, get into start about exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Let's see the answer of it. The collection of all months of beginning with letter J is like, it may be January, June, July, like that. So it is a collection. We say the statement is this collection is a set. Means J, like there are 2 or 3 months that belongs to J with starting of the year. So we say that it is a set. Let's see the second question. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of this is not a well defined collection because the criteria may vary, talent from may vary from person to person, it may be from one writer to another writer, talent won't be same. So we say this as collection is not a set. Hope you understood. Now let's see about third question. A team of 11 best cricketers, batsmen of the world. This is also not a set because it is similar to the previous question. It may be talent may be varying from maybe your favorite cricketer to our favorite cricketer, or if you compare any two cricketers or batsmen, like it may vary from one person to one person. So we say that all are not collection and it is not a set. Now let's see about the fourth question. The collection of all boys in your class. It is a set because you can identify a boy who belongs to the collection. As we know, it is a well defined collection because they have mentioned as all boys in our class. So we'll be knowing about them. So we can say it is a set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. This is also a set because they have said mentioned that it is less than 100. So we can say natural numbers from 1 to 100 and name it. So it is a collection and it is a set. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. It is also a collection of set because here it is set. Why? Because they have mentioned the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So they have mentioned a writer as well as the novels written by him. So it is definitely a collection and it is a set. The collection of all even integers. This is also a set because they have mentioned particularly as even integers. So all the even integers as 2, 4, 6, 8 all are belonging to this collection. So it is a set. The collection of these questions in this chapter, like collection of all the questions we take in this chapter, is also a collection and it is a set because we can like take all the numbers from one question. If it is still 100, we can take all that and we can represent. Let's see the last question. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is not a set. Why? Because it also can vary from animal to animal determining for dangerousness. It may vary from one animal to another animal as we saw previously for writers and batsmen. So it is not a set. Here the um, writer's talents may vary from person to person, batsman talent may vary from person to person, and the criteria for determining from for the dangerousness of animal can vary from person to person. One person may detect as that animal is dangerous, and one may not feel that it is dangerous. So it will vary from one person to another person. Now let's go on to the second question. Let A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or doesn't belongs to in the blank spaces. 5A, like they are saying that as A is the set given, we have to see whether 5 is belonging to that set or not. As we can clearly see that 5 is in the set given there, so we write as belongs to. The symbol similar to E is the symbol that is used to belong to, and the cut mark from on that symbol E is representing doesn't belong to. And now let's take the second sub question, 8. 8, as we can see, only the elements are till 6. 8 is not belonging to that set, so we write as 8 does not belongs to A. Similarly, 0 is not in the particular set named A, so we write as doesn't belongs to. 4. 4 is there in the set. It is the fourth element of the set, so we say the it belongs to. 2. 2 is also present after 1, so we say that it is belonging to the set A. 10. 10 doesn't belongs to set A as it is ending at sixth element itself. So here the set belonging elements are 5, 4 and 2. It is easy, very easy. Let's only see the sets and we will see that the elements are belonging or not. Now let's discuss about the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. As we had seen, roster form is the form that is represented in set. It is separated by comma. Now we have to write all these given set builder form in roster form. A is x is to x is an integer and x is less than or equal to minus 3. Now, let's start about the third question. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form, as we previously discussed it, it is the set that is represented in curly braces and it is separated by comma. Now they have given the set as x is to x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to minus 3 but less than 6. Now let's see what are the elements that is less than 7 but greater than or equal to minus 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why we are not including 7 means they have only said as less than 7. They have not said as less than or equal to. So we are including minus 3 to 6. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 are the negative elements, or we say as negative integers, and the 0 is the middlemost element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the rightmost elements, or we say it as positive integers. So therefore we write that, as we saw, we have to write in roster form. We will put the curly braces and we will separate it by comma. Now let's discuss about the second question. B. X is to x is a natural number less than 6. We say that less than 6. Only they have mentioned as less than 6. So we will say that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we denoted it by curly braces and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separated by each comma here. Let's discuss about the third question. X is to x is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of digit is 8. Now we have to see the elements or natural number that is that sum. If we add that two-digit natural number, their sum should be 8. We can see as 1 7. 1 plus 7, if you add you will get 8, and 1 plus only 7 if you add you will get 8, and 2 plus 6 if you add you will get 8, and with the third element 3 plus 5 if you add you will get 8, 4 plus 4 if you add you will get 8, 5 plus 3 if you add you will get 8, 6 plus 2 if you add you will get 8, 7 plus 1 if you add you will get 8, and 8 plus 0 is you will get 8. As we have not mentioned 0, 8 because they have asked specifically two-digit natural numbers. Now let's discuss about the fourth question. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Divisor means that should be divisible by 60. Now let's see the factors that are made. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Let's see. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. The set is 2 comma 3 comma 5. As 2 is repeated twice, we will take it once. As we write in a set, the element should be not repeated in set. Okay, so now let's see that the sets is 2, 3 and 5. As it is roster form, we will separate it by comma. Let's see the next question. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry, Trigonometry. Let's see about this. See, as we previously saw, 2 and 2 were twice, but we wrote as once because it is the roster form. And in the set, the two elements should be not repeating. Now let's see about the word trigonometry. Trigonomey. We didn't write T again because it is repeated already here. We didn't write again O because already it is repeated. So we have to see that T, R, O are repeated and it is written only once here. We can see T, R, O are repeated only once. Now let's discuss about the last question of this particular. F is equal to the set of all in letters in the word better. The same another word they have given as better. Here E and T are repeated twice as we can see. So we write only once in the set and we will separate it by comma as it is in the roster form. Hope you all are understanding this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Fourth question, write the following set in the set builder form. Previously what we did was the question was given in set builder form, we made it to roster form. Here the question is in the roster form, we will make into the set builder form. How to identify that? Let us come to know now. Let's discuss about the first question, that is 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are the sets given in the first question. See, as we can see, they are the 3, 6, 9, 12. The difference between them is 3. So we write as 3n. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. So if we replace 1, 2, 3, 4 for the value of n, we will get the x value. So now we can write this as it is less than or equal to 4 because 3 4s are 12. Only it is ending at 12. So we write as it is greater than or equal to 1. So 3 into 1 is 1. So we write as n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 4. Why? Because it is ending at 12 and we see that 12 divided by 3 gives you 4. So this is the set builder form of the question. We write as x is to x is equals to 3n comma n belongs to capital N. N belongs to capital N and n should be small n. Means we have written here, no, that should be less than, greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 4. Now let's discuss the second question. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Let's see about 2 is 2 divided by 1. Sorry, 2. 2 is 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2. 2 is can be written as 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 power 2, 8 can be written as 2 power 3, 16 can be written as 2 power 4 and 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Now the given set is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So now we will write this in set builder form as it is 2n. There we wrote as 3n because it was multiple of 3. Here we write as it is something power 2. So we will write as 2 power n and n belongs to n. But here it is less than or equal to 5 because it is 2 power 5. Here n is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 5. Now let's discuss about the third question. 5, 25, 125 and 625. All are 5 same. It is similar to 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and all. It is 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. These all values you have to having in mind. As soon as you see some set, you have to be remembering as, oh yeah, this is the multiple of 5, this is something power 5, these are the integers that comes in the multiples of this. So you should be having at least these 5 powers and 2 powers and 3 powers all in the mind. So we will discuss about this. It is 5n because it was multiple of 5. So 5n, here also n belongs to n, but here it is 5 power 4, so we wrote as n less than or equal to 4 but greater than or equal to 1. Now let's discuss about the fourth question, that is 2 4 6 ending. They have given as dot dot dot, means it is continuing. Now let's discuss about these are the even natural numbers. X is to x is an even natural number. This is very simple question. They have given us 2 4 6 and etc. So now we will write as x is to x. This is the basic that we have to know when we are writing the set builder form. It is an even natural number. Hope you are understanding. Now let's discuss about the fifth question. 1 4 9 up to 100 they have given. Now let's see what the form of this number is. 1 is equal to 1 power 2. Yeah, 1 power 2 or 1 power 3, 1 power 4, anything is same. Okay, so now let's discuss about 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square. It should be here 2 square. Okay, and 9. 9 is 3 square. 3 square. 3 into 3 will be 9. And 100, that is ending up to 100. Now we will write this as 149 up to 100. We will write this as n power square, means it is 1 power square, 2 power square, 3 power square. We will write this as 10 power 2 is what? 100. So we will end it here because the element ending here is 100. And now let's discuss about how this came. It is also similar to greater than or equal to 1, but it is less than or equal to 10 because 10 square is 100 and the element ending here is 100. Now let's move on to the fifth question of the exercise 1.1. List all the elements of the following sets. A is equal to x is to x is an odd natural number. Now they have said as odd natural number. Natural number starts from 1. As 1 is odd number, we include that and we take all the natural numbers like odd 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 etc. They have not specified some range or something here, so we put dot dots. That means it is continuing. Now let's discuss about the bth question. Second question, x is to x is an integer. Minus 1, x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. Now we will see the value here. They have said as minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 value is 0 0.5. Sorry, it should be 0 0.5 here. And 9 by 2 is 4.5. So now let's see, it should be from 0 to 4. If you take 0 square is 0, it is less than. So the element here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see the third question. X is an integer, x square is less than or equal to 4. Now we have to take only the square from 0 to 4. 0 square, like it is 0. It is less than or equal to 4. Yes, correct. Like square of 4. Next, it is 1 square. It is less than 4. 2 square 4, it is equal to 4, so it is satisfying. 3 square, it is 9 by 4, so it's not available, so we have to write as minus 2 comma minus 1. It should be here, sorry, minus 1 and 0 1 and 2. Now let's discuss about the fourth question. X is a letter in the word loyal. As we saw that the word loyal, L is repeating, so we only write Loya. We will not repeat the letter same. X is a month of a year not having 31 days. We will see the months that are not having 31 days. January have 31 days. February, it is not having, it will either have 28 or 29 days, so it is included. April is not having 31 days. June, September and November. Now let's discuss about the sixth question. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Precedes means it should come before that given element. Succeeds means it should come after that element. This is the difference between the precedes and succeeds. Now they have given as precedes, so we should see the consonants, that is except vowels in the English alphabets, that is coming before K. It is A is included, so we will write as B, C, D. E is included in vowels, so we will write F, G, H. I is included, so we will write J. And they have said before K and the next element is K, so we will not include that. This is about the fifth question. Now let's see the last question of this exercise. Match each set of the left is in the roster form and right is in the set builder form. We can see that one, as we can easy method to identify this is MATHEICS they have given, and here if we see any words are there means yes, it is mathematics. So the third option is for D. Let's check. Yeah, see, third option is matches with D. We can see that easily we can identify that it is a word, and the only word in present in right hand side is mathematics. Now let's discuss about 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the elements that are divisor of 6. Divisor of means that should be divisible. That should be, or we can say it as factors of 6. If we write factors of 6, we write as 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the option matching with option question 1 is C. Now let's discuss about the second question, 2, 3. These are the prime number. But what is meant by prime number? As we all know, it is a number that is divisible by 1 and only itself. 2 is divisible by 1 and only itself. 3 is also a prime number. 3 is also divisible by 1 and itself, and it is divisor of 6, because here only we saw up. 2 and 3 are included in divisor of 6, so we can mark with option A. Option A. Now mathematics is over. Now let's discuss about the fourth question, and the only option left out here is B. X is an odd natural number less than 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, and we can easily denote that it is a natural number and it is less than 9 because 11 is not included in that. And by this we will complete the exercise 1.1 of all the 6 questions. Hope you have understood, and please make sure to like, share and comment if you have any doubts or what are the videos you require for next chapter or next exercise which are going on, and make sure to click the bell icon next to the subscribe, and please share to all your friends, and thank you.